Now, the easiest way to fix this, don't mess around with your tools, just go right to the Morphology tool. Okay, so we're gonna click on the Morphology on the bottom. We're gonna choose a morphology that we want. In this particular case, we're just gonna choose biogeneric. Okay, so we chose the biogeneric morphology. You do have other choices if you want to look through that. Once you have that done, we're gonna go ahead and go right to the positioning tool. Now, if we look at the positioning tool, everything is symmetric. So as soon as you click morphology, the teeth are symmetric. But what ends up happening, if we put up our biocopy, you still see that we're off. So the key is, go ahead and click Snap to Biojaw. If you click Snap to Biojaw, you're gonna see the teeth almost immediately move into the right spot. It's a little secret that not many people know about. So once we have that, we can use our position rotate. We can move these just slightly into position where they need to be. Okay, so you might wanna just tweak the length of tooth number 8 and 9 just a little bit. Now, once you're done doing that, we'll go ahead and perhaps you want to use the scale tool to make them just a little wider distally. In this case, I'm gonna link the teeth together. Once I link the teeth together, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move them just symmetrically a little bit to the distal, make them a little wider, and then I can also go ahead and I can fix the midline by unlinking them and then just moving each one slightly towards the midline, okay? Now, once you get that done, we're gonna go ahead, we're going to click Edit the Restoration, and we're gonna see our new proposal, okay? So we're almost done here. We're just verifying with our biocopy overlaid. And after that, we're gonna go ahead, we'll get our new proposal, and you're gonna see just with a few clicks how close that we are. For more tips like this, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.